Museum here is so much fun.
I kept asking my mommy to come here all the time.
I really like how it's naturey, like it's really nice. You could run around, and there's even a sandy area. Beach. There's a beach, there's a lighthouse. Everything here is connected. I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. And I think it's going to be really cool, and I think lots of people are going to come.
Okay, the boat, I can't wait for the crow's nest. The net is going to be so much fun. I just want to look around the boat a little bit and see what they have in it.
My name's Fauna and I'm 7. My name is Penelope and I'm 4. When I'm on the boat, I'm then I fly. When I'm on the boat, I'll play pirates with someone. With me. Oh, ready? I am really looking forward to going on the 3rd floor and seeing if there's any secret passageways.
Me too, I want to see passageways too.
This is for the boat, and this is what I liked. The steering wheel, and I also go on the place where pirates are.
I'm Beckham, and I like the net climb the best. I think it's something that like all kids would like to do.
I read about pirate ship, crow's nest, and steering wheel, and then walkie-talkie. I steered the boat out.
Where did you want to go?
To Hawaii. Ride the boat into Hawaii. My name is Allister William Gledhill. So my age is 7. I'm turning 8. I went in this basket that was like on the Megan D, and it was like it went under, except it was ropes so that you didn't like just fall through. And it was really fun. Everything. There's so many things to do, and I like explored every single thing on it, and it was so fun. And also, when I touched it, it felt so real. It felt like it was actually a pirate ship a long time ago. I hope every single kid, anywhere, anytime, can explore the Megan D.